adaptable. Being adaptable is like a superhero of flexibility. It means you can change and adjust to different situations and challenges, just like how a superhero using different powers for different problems. Imagine you have a favorite game and you're really good at it, but then your friend wants to play a different game you never tried before. Being adaptable means you can say, sure, let's try, and you learn the new things quickly. It's like being open to trying new things and not getting upset when things change. Adaptable people can be also handle surprises and changes without getting so worried or upset that they don't know what to do. For example, if you had plans to play outside but it suddenly starts raining, being adaptable means you say, okay, let's find something fun to do indoors instead.
Being adaptable is extremely important for animals and plants to survive in different environments. Our species, Homo sapiens, is very adaptable, which helps them to migrate and survive in different environments all over the world.
In our science and history lessons, we have been learning about early humans who lived as hunter-gatherers thousands of years ago. They did not stay in one place permanently or had towns and cities. They were nomads who moved to new areas whenever they needed a larger food supply or better conditions. Some members of the group hunted animals for food, while others gathered plants and other materials. They had to be adaptable by making tools out of materials they had available, as well as learning to use fire and survive in different climates by making clothes and shelter. Being adaptable isn't something that you might only do in the wild, but we can be adaptable in our modern everyday life too. Here are some examples. Trying new food. When you're offered a food you never tried before, being adaptable means giving it a taste and open to new flavors. You might just end up loving it.
Changing plans. If you go to the park and it starts to thunder and rain, being adaptable means finding an indoor activity like playing board games instead.
Meeting new people. When you left your school or in the neighborhood, being adaptable means being friendly and open up to working with them.
Learning new subject. If you find a new subject at school hard, like math or science, being adaptable means not giving up if you have a problem. Instead, think of where you might solve it, and you can ask your teacher, what is the best solution for that? Don't be afraid to try.
Adapting to a new routine. Sometimes your daily routine might change, like you start a new school year. Being adaptable means you adjusting to your new timetable and expectation, and being positive about the changes.
Listening to others during group projects or discussions. Being adaptable means listening to what your classmates have to say and maybe changing your ideas.
Would you notice if you can focus if someone is being adaptable or not?
During your playtime, your friends suggest playing a game you have never played before. You might refuse it and you refuse to join it and play the same game as you always do because it's your favorite.
Is this adaptable? Yes or no?
No.
Your class is assigned on a group project and your group members have different ideas how to present it. You listen to the ideas and come up with a plan that everyone agrees on.
Is this being adaptable? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
and handle adventures and change that life throws.